Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukazi endoda leso Gogo Bathini Mbatha here at African Clinic Empangeni. Today lapha African Clinic would love to give tips on what to do if you want Izimbiza, you've got a low self-drive or you've got stress or whatever reason that may require you to buy Izimbiza. Tip number one, be careful of the people that you just meet on the street. Others, they are there for years. You know, others, they've been there for 20 years. We know Utubabus Banbani, Utolagala, a boxer ranking, Izimbiza, we trust him or whatever. That is fine. We know Uti Kunobabuzwane Ose Devin Station, Izimiti, Izimbiza, Ubanazo. That is fine. You know what you'll always find Ubabuzwane at that point. KwaNjidi, Herbals, the chemist that we have, Izimbiza. You know Uti, should you have a problem, you know where to go. But oftentimes, we men, we make mistakes because we want something that will deal with issue of erection, but not to take care of the entire body. That's why, you know, men, we try this, suppose I'm a pilisi, sends in, and only to find out nothing helps. Nothing helps. Sometimes you get that erection that doesn't really help you because your entire body, it's not fit for this thing that you touching. Then here you have now a heartbeat suddenly. Your eyes become red and tired. Your back, your kidneys, they become painful and everything because they are starting to process something that is beyond their power, something that they were not prepared for. So today we're going to give you those tips, not in any form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we're just going to talk to you, our reliable subscriber here on Gogo Bathini Mbatha TV and our subscriber on African Clinic TV. So, number one, make sure that before you get Izimbiza that will deal with erection, get Izimbiza that is uzifo zonke. Uzifo zonke is going to help you. Why, Gogo? Because Uzifo zonke focuses on the entire body, your eyesight, your skin, your fitness in general, feeling light and everything. Inyongo, sometimes you're sweating a lot. It will deal with that. It will deal with the joints in your body because imiti that are used for this, they deal with the entire body in general and in a balanced manner. Whenever you see in this written uzifo zonke, you must know that Izimbiza it's safer than any Izimbiza you can get on the shelf. Trust me. Because why? Again, it deals with the entire body. It helps your body in general in such a way that your body will give you results to say, actually, the problem I have, maybe stress, maybe it's sugar, maybe it's high blood pressure. There's a lot of things that you can find or maybe they're wrong with you when you start with Izimbiza uzifo zonke. But make sure again you read the instructions. Instructions are very important. People, especially us men, again, as you tell a guy to say, put this on a glass, or maybe half of a glass. They fill the glass that finish it doesn't work like that. Omunye ati utikuye drink half a glass, and then after a few minutes you can drink water. Then they put half a glass, they put water at it will never give you those results. Because must take half a glass or a full glass at first. We are sending it to your body to travel as fast as possible to get what problems do you have. So that half a glass or a full glass, it's enough. Then after you rather take a sweet, a mint for that matter, and then after 30 minutes or whatever time that is prescribed, you drink this with water or you mix it with water, whatever, then you can take a lot of water. It is not going to dilute whatever that you have taken, which says over weak magic because of you drink a lot of water. Often people call me because Izimbiza Zagiti, they all have my number 0835339183. They all have my number. People will phone me to say, Gogo, we confused. I'm getting thirsty. What must I do? Drink a lot of water. Let's go to it. Directions. Half cup at night before you sleep time. Then drink a lot of water in the morning. When I say in the morning, I don't say if you are thirsty, maybe after 30 minutes or so, you mustn't drink water. You can. But the following day, now assist your body with water so that your body it's flushing out everything, because whatever mbiza you were drinking last night is there to work. So you need to assist it to flush out whatever that is bothering you inside. So then after you've used imbiza uzifozonke, you can then go to a specific imbiza where now you can go to imbiza yakho. We have this one, we call it upocha pocha skumba senjendala maqumba qhuleke njenge rice. This one, it deals with erection, it deals with feelings, it helps a man to be able to connect after you have used this. Trust me, it works. I used to just take this and then I thought things were gonna work. Nothing worked. Nothing worked. Trust me. And you get frustrated with I'm trying imbiza, I'm trying what. Only to find out what I was supposed to start with izifozonke to deal with a problem in my body, then to get now to the bottom problem, to the real problem. This one will help you. This one, it's also good izifozonke to help you to lower the levels of stress. Yes, it's written drink at night, but I drink it in the morning because it helps me to think positive, to be strong throughout the day. It's my energizer, it's my energy booster, but there is no mbiza that is meant to me to drink forever, because your body is designed to help itself most of the time. I don't know what's the percentage, but your body most of the time is designed, it must work. If you get sick, if you drink a lot of water, your immune system, it resets itself. We are polar, but obviously not everything that. So that's why we assist it with things like medication and everything. One thing that is I love a lot about our medication at African Clinic, there is nothing here that is chemical. It's pure herbs from the soil to your body. Guess what? From the soil directly to your body. We don't take chances on that. There's nothing that is processed in these things. So your body is standing a chance to last you longer. So your body is an everything you need. It's where you live. So make sure that your body uyithanyelile, wayikoroba, wayipolisha, wayikhipha polish, then you bone a setting. You know, you're done with the floor. Here, all your floors are nice and clean and everything. Now you're dealing with your furniture of your body. That's when your looks comes out. That's when you're happy sexually. That's when you're happy in terms of you have the arthritis or whatever disease that you may be suffering from. Another mistake that people do, and I want to give you another tip. The fact that you drank maybe not pocha uzifozonke, and you feel good, and you were taking ARVs, and you go there, they say your CD4 count, it doesn't mean stop taking your ARVs. Please do not stop taking your medication. Actually, whatever that is wrong in your medication, if there is something wrong in your medication, in your chronic medication for that matter, that thing is going to leave your body quicker. That wrong part of it, that wrong chemical of it, is going to leave your body quicker, because uzifozonke flushes out everything that your body doesn't need. Gogo Bathini Mbatha Mbatha. We live here at African Clinic, your only herbal clinic, your only clinic that deals with diseases that can only be cured through a traditional healing. This is Gogo Bathini Mbatha, your traditional health doctor, here in Empangeni, number 17 Union Street. For bookings, we are available at number 17, as I've said, 035 799 5703, 035 799 5703. Lastly, remember, start with zifozonke and then be specific. Whether arthritis and everything, we'll be talking about umuthi wamatambo in one of our videos here in African Clinic, whereby I had a problem with somebody that just drank umuthi wamatambo, and then what give me, and I gave him that person umuthi. I accept. I didn't know, now I know. And then they call me, they say, Mama uyakula, like she's worse, we don't know what to do and everything. Then I remembered I was supposed to start with uzifozonke. Then I went to Zifozonke. I had to drive to Kokstad to deliver this for free, because I'm fixing the problem that I've created. After 3 days, they called me again. They said, this is our mother that we know. Thank you very much. Then we went, after a month, we went back to the first medication that made her utamatamba ake abe worse. She's fine now. She can walk to church, she can do whatever she wants to do with her life. Gogo Bathini Mbatha, we're live here at African Clinic. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe while you're watching, and please share. Thokozani.